Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. Today we are going to see the standard 10th Maths 2 chapter number 1 similarity. From this chapter we are going to see the point that is test for the similarity of triangle. Now here the necessary conditions are required to determine the two triangles are similar. That is, first is their corresponding side be in the proportion and their corresponding angle must be a congruent. That is, six conditions are there. From these six conditions, that is, three conditions are sufficient to show that the two triangles are similar to each other. Now here first condition is that A A A test. Now in this the two triangles are given. In these two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is congruent to angle P. Angle B is congruent to angle Q. And angle C is congruent to angle R. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR by by angle test. That is A test. Now again, in this, suppose in the two triangles, this triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q. If these two angles are shown they are the congruent, then the remaining third angle is automatically it is a congruent. So we can write that the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR by A test also. Now after that, side angle side test. Two triangles are given. Triangle XYZ and triangle PQR. In triangle XYZ and triangle PQR, XY upon PQ is equal to YZ upon QR. Their two sides are in proportion and angle Y is congruent to angle Q. Then we can say that triangle XYZ is similar to the triangle PQR by side angle side test. Now another one, that is side test. Now two triangles are there. Triangle LMN and another triangle is an XYZ. In triangle LMN and a triangle XYZ, if LM upon xy is equal to mn upon yz is equal to ln upon xz. All the three sides are in proportion. Then we can say that triangle LMN is similar to the triangle XYZ by side 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 test. Now, in the adjoining figure, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. Angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by proper 1-to-1 corresponds. Figure is here given on the board. Now here in triangle ABC and triangle EDC. In this angle ABC is congruent to angle EDC, that is each 75 degree, and angle C is congruent to angle C, that is common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to the triangle EDC by A test. And we can write that 1-to-1 correspond. That is ABC is 1-to-1 corresponds to EDC. Now, second example. Are the triangles in the adjoining figure similar? If yes, then by which test they are similar? Figure is given. Now, in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, PQ upon LM, which is equal to 6/3, that is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, that is equal to 2/1. This is equation 1. QR upon MN, which is equal to 8/4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, that is equal to 2/1. This is equation number 2. Now PR upon LN is equal to 10/5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, which is equal to 2/1. This is equation number 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3, we can say that PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. Therefore, triangle PQR is similar to the triangle LMN by side side, side test. Now here third example, as shown in the adjoining figure, two poles are there of a height 8 centimeter and 4 centimeter, 4 meter, 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of the shadow of the smaller pole due to the sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? Now here in this figure, AC is in a bigger pole and PR is in a smaller pole. BC is the shadow of the bigger pole. QR is the shadow of the smaller pole. Now here these poles are perpendicular. The poles are perpendicular to the ground and the shadow of both the poles are created at the same time. Therefore, the triangle PQR and is similar to the triangle ABC by AA test. Then we can say that QR upon BC is equal to PR upon AC, that is corresponding side of similar triangle. Now QR is equal to 6, BC is equal to X, PR is equal to 4 and AC is equal to 8. Taking cross product, that is 4x is equal to 6 into 8. Therefore x is equal to 6 into 8 upon 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. Therefore x is equal to 6 into 2. Therefore x is equal to 12 meter. Therefore the length of a bigger pole, the length of the shadow of the bigger pole which is equal to BC is equal to 12 meter. Now, fourth example, in the triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC. Due to that, we will get that B dash, P dash, C, and BQ is perpendicular to AC. Due to this, we will get that A dash, Q dash, C. Then prove that triangle CPA is similar to the triangle CQB. If they are similar, then AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12, then find AC. First we will show that the two triangles are similar. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB, here angle CPA is congruent to angle CQB, that is each 90 degree, and angle C is congruent to angle C, that is a common angle for both the triangles. To this triangle and for this triangle, this angle is a common. Therefore triangle Therefore, the triangle CPA is similar to the triangle CQB by AA test. If the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion, that is AC upon BC is equal to AP upon BQ. Now AC that we are going to find it, BC that is 12, AP that is 7, and BQ that is an 8. This we have got it from corresponding side of similar triangle. Now take the cross product. 8AC is equal to 7 into 12. Therefore AC is equal to 7 into 12, that is an 84 upon 8. Therefore AC is equal to 10.5 units. Now, fifth one, given that in a trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side SR, AR is equal to 5AP and AS is equal to 5AQ, then prove that SR is equal to 5PQ. Side PQ is parallel to side SR and SQ is a transversal. Therefore, angle QSR is congruent to angle SQP. By alternate angle. Now same angle we'll write in this way. Angle ASR is congruent to angle AQP. This is equation number 1. Now in triangle ASR and triangle that is AQP, in this angle ASR is congruent to angle AQP, that is from 1, and angle SAR is congruent to angle QAP, that is vertical opposite angle, Therefore, triangle ASR is similar to the triangle AQP by AA test. If the two triangles are similar by AA test, then AS upon AQ is equal to SR upon QP. SR upon QP, that is corresponding side of similar triangle. Corresponding side of similar triangle. But AS is equal to 5AQ is given. AQ, this is given. Therefore, AS upon AQ is equal to 5 upon 1. Therefore, we can write that SR upon QP is equal to 5 upon 1. Therefore, SR is equal to 5 QP is proved. Now, sixth example, in the trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to side DC and the diagonal AC and diagonal BD, they are intersecting at a point O. If AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15, find OD. Now here, side AB is parallel to side DC and segment BD is a transversal. Therefore, angle DBA is congruent to angle BDC, that is by alternate angle. Now this same angle we can write it now. OBA is congruent to angle ODC. This is equation number 1. Now, in triangle OBA and triangle ODC, in this angle OBA is congruent to angle ODC, that is from 1. Angle BOA is congruent to angle DOC, that is vertical opposite angle. Therefore, triangle OBA is similar to the triangle ODC by AA test. If the two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion, that is OB upon OD is equal to AB upon CD. Now OB is given 15, OD that you are going to find it, AB that is an 20, and DC that is an 6. 20 OD is equal to 15 into 6. Therefore, OD is equal to 15 into 6 upon 20. That is 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. Therefore, OD is equal to 6 3s are 18 upon 4. Therefore, OD is equal to, now do the cancellation, that is 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 17 18, 2 remain, 0.4 5s are 20. Therefore, OD is equal to 4.5 units. Now, seventh example, quadrilateral ABCD is in a parallelogram. Point E is on the side BC. Line DE intersects the ray AB at the point T. Then prove that DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. Solution: quadrilateral ABCD is in a parallelogram. Therefore, AB is parallel to DC is given, that is, as it is in a parallelogram, the opposite sides of the parallelograms are parallel. Instead of this AB, now we are taking it as an AT is parallel to DC, and DT is a transversal. Therefore, angle ATD is congruent to angle CDT. Now this is by alternate angle. Now same angle we can write it in this way, that is angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE as, that is A dash B dash T and T dash E dash D. Now in triangle BTE and triangle C D E. In this angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE. This is from 1. Angle BET is congruent to angle CED, that is vertical opposite angle. Therefore, triangle BTE is similar to the triangle CDE by AA test. If the two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion, that is TE upon DE is equal to BE upon CE. Taking cross product, TE into CE is equal to BE into DE. That is DE into BE is equal to CE into TE is proved. Now, eighth example. In the adjoining figure, segment AC and segment BD are intersecting at a point P, and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Then prove that triangle ABP is similar to the triangle CDP. Solution. In triangle ABP and triangle CDP, it is given that AP upon CP is equal to PB upon DP. It is given, that is sides are in proportion, and angle APB is congruent to angle CPD, that is vertical opposite angle. Therefore, triangle ABP is similar to the triangle CDP by side angle side test. Now, ninth example. In the adjoining figure, in triangle ABC, point D is on the side BC, such that angle BAC is equal to the angle ADC. Then prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Now, in triangle BAC and triangle ADC, it is given that angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC. This is given. Angle C is congruent to angle C. There is a common angle. Therefore, triangle BAC is similar to the triangle ADC by AA test. If the two triangles are similar by AA test, their sides are in proportion, that is CA upon DC is equal to BC upon CA, that is corresponding side of similar triangle. Taking cross product, CA square is equal to BC into DC, which is true.